Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $420 just by reading every hour. And this is available worldwide. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, I have an Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up on there, so please go check it out. I have a lot of interesting information on there that will help you in business and entrepreneurship. And also, if you want to send me a DM and have a question about any of my videos, please just drop that DM. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. And once you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site so I can show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. All right, family, I'm at the website. Name of this website is Voices. So on this website, you're going to get paid just using your voice. So it says here, take your creative career to the next level. Voices has the jobs, the clients, and the creative freedom you've been looking for. And it's free to sign up. So as you can see the pictures over here, you know what you're going to be doing. You're going to be doing voiceovers, guys. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So it says here, choose your clients and your projects. So hunting for jobs is over. With Voices as your marketing engine, you create a profile, upload portfolio samples to market your skills. We attract some of the world's biggest brands to you. Thousands of jobs posted every month. No more hunting for leads and worrying where your next job is coming from. So that's all you got to do, guys, is upload some samples. So you can just upload a sample of you reading something. So it's just that simple. So you could build a business with this, guys. And you can quote what you are worth. So you get to tell them how much you're worth and how much you want to get paid. And you never have to chase a payment again, because once that brand wants to work with you, they pay Voices and Voices is going to pay you. So if they don't pay Voices, then the project's not going to get done for them. Now let's just scroll down here and let's just read one of the testimonies here. This person right here named Mary said, Voices not only has an excellent technical side, they also have very responsive and proactive staff. I have been very impressed by the range of support videos and other resources. So that person is very happy. Now, right here it says, what's your area of expertise? So if you're voiceover, you're going to click here, auto production, good music, good with translation. So, as I said early on, that this method is available worldwide, because if you can speak all different type of languages, or if you from a certain country, you can pick this one for translation. And if you can speak English and another language, you can get paid that way, guys. This is how it works, guys. So you create a profile and reply to the jobs. You get hired, do the work, and get paid guaranteed. And there's a video you could watch just to learn a little bit more. And let's just scroll down here and look at a couple of the frequently asked questions. So I know you want to know this one, guys. How much money can I make as a freelancer on Voices? So check this out. There's no limit to how much money you can make. It's dependent on how much time you have to commit, what skills you have to offer, and what kinds of projects you're able to do. So it's all up to you, guys, all up to you and your skills. You can make as much money as you want. You can make hundreds of dollars and maybe thousands of dollars. Now, how do you get paid? So when a client hires you, they deposit their payment to Voices. Voices hold that payment with our SurePay payment protection service while you work, and releases that payment to you when you have completed the project. Payments go out each Friday, and you can receive payment to your PayPal account or via check. So guys, you need to have a PayPal account if you want to get it directly deposited into your PayPal account, or you can have a check sent out to you. If I was you, I would go ahead and use PayPal because you'll get it quicker. Okay, guys, that's it. That's all I'm going to say about this website. This is a very, very good website. And if you like talking, if you like reading, and you're good at translating, this is the website for you. Just go to voices.com/jobs. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one more thing I want to do before I end this video. I do shout outs. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Hope you're a subscriber. Please keep watching all my videos. Keep hitting that like button and help this channel to grow. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks again. Road to 7,000 subscribers. Let's get there, guys. Let's get there by the end of October. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks again. Really appreciate it. And one more thing, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.